I'm here with Jonathan from Vogelsang, UK. Jonathan, can you tell us a bit about your company? I know a lot of people already know in the industry Vogelsang is quite big.
Yeah, so Vogelsang is a German company, so we're the wholly owned subsidiary of Vogelsang Germany. We've been established in the UK for 20 years now, and we're probably most well known for being the inventor of the rotary lobe pump a few decades back. But the company's obviously gone on and developed a lot of other equipment. The rotary lobe pump is particularly suitable for a lot of biogas plants. And since then we've gone on to develop the progressive cavity pump. This year we're launching what we call the high cone progressive cavity pump, which is going to be the new industry standard, we think. The main difference between a normal progressive cavity pump and our high cone is we have the ability to adjust the position of the rotor. So when the stator wears, instead of having to replace your stator, you can close up the clearances inside the pump by adjusting the position of the rotor.
Okay, that would be great,
we're seeing somewhere in the region of 3 to 4 times the life out of your stators. So it's going to be a real groundbreaking innovation.
So is there any new upgrades on the premix systems?
So we now have what we call the DRS, the debris removal system, which is automatic removal of stones, debris, heavy objects that get taken out of the unit.
Can we have a look at it?
Of course, come round. So this is the premix. Obviously, your feedstock is fed into the machine from this side, mixed with recirculated digestate coming in here, and then the homogeneous mixture then goes through the macerator.
Yeah.
But this is a stone trap, which most people will be familiar with. So the stones, the debris, the heavy objects all fall out of the suspension and fall into the stone trap in the bottom.
Yeah.
But what we have now is a hydraulic ram, which pushes the material out. So you set the machine up to empty the stones as and when you need to. So it saves a manual intervention, a man with a bucket and a spanner taking it all apart.
It's a massive innovation, to be honest, because we know we used to work on the systems, Vogelsang premixes, and we used to clean these rotor cats out because, there was this innovation, and I think this is an incredible idea.
So the next thing we have as well, we don't have it on the stand unfortunately, but we have something called what we call the DLU, the debris lift unit.
Yeah.
So we have a conveyor, so the stones are emptied into a receptacle here, and then we have a conveyor which lifts them up out of the way and automatically tips them into a skip. So it's even less manual intervention, so the plant operators are very happy with it.
Yeah, this system particularly already, because I haven't seen it so far on any sites. And premixes, we know it every day long, but never seen something like this, and this is seriously.
So we've sold a few of the debris removal systems in the UK now, but only in the last year or 18 months. So they're fairly new for the UK market.
Why is that lifted up?
So this is the innovation that we have for easy maintenance. With a traditional progressing cavity pump, with a flange at 90 degrees, you have to have the space at the end of the machine to take the rotor and stator off to do your maintenance. With the angled flange, all you have to do is lift it up, and you can then pull the stator off, and you have much less space required.
Perfect. It's really, really good idea.
Yep.
Does Vogelsang covers whole country with the services?
Yeah, so we're based in Crewe in Cheshire, but we have salesmen covering the whole country. We have a team of service engineers who travel the whole country. So we'll service your equipment from the top of Scotland all the way down to Cornwall.
Do you have any service partners in the country, or it's particularly only your staff from Vogelsang?
No, we only use our own staff at the moment. So we have a team of guys and a team of sales managers who are based all over the country as well. So we have full coverage.
Perfect. Why Vogelsang is better than any other competitors?
The innovation that we have, there are lots of people who make pumps, but nobody makes a pump like we do. And we're constantly innovating, constantly introducing sort of new designs and new innovations to the market.
Is it the quality of materials?
Everybody makes good good products, but the difference with ours is the innovation, the differences that we make.